So if you're transporting medical oxygen on a vehicle, we would recommend just displaying a compressed gas sign, which is a green diamond sticker, 100mm by 100mm. We wouldn't recommend having that sticker on if you're not carrying any cylinders. So we supply magnets that can be easily attached to the vehicle and detached whether or not you're carrying a cylinder. The reason we say not to leave the signage on the vehicle if there's no cylinders on board is because if there's an accident, the fire brigade and emergency services will be working as though there were cylinders on board. So it's, it can be ambiguous. So 1,000 litres water capacity is working on the size of the cylinders. So the cylinders are measured in water capacity. So a 2-litre cylinder, if you imagine it without a regulator on the top and you were to fill it up with water, that would hold 2 litres. So that's when it's not compressed. So you would just scale that up to 1,000 litres basically. So if you're working on our largest cylinders are 40-litre cylinders, you could carry 25 of those on your vehicle before you start getting into the realms of ADR.